This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. Live the dream. Excellent location, quiet street and completely remodeled with gorgeous finishes. This turnkey property boasts an open floor plan while remaining a cozy place to call home. The bedrooms are spacious with ample closet space and tons of natural light. Impact windows and doors, spacious yard with room for a pool perfectly located between Miami Shores and Biscayne Park. For more information, review the details below.